Hey, what's up guys? I'm Colton with Summit 4x4 here at our Prescott headquarters location. Figured I would take you through a little behind the scenes walk through the shop of just a typical Wednesday. We'll talk to some techs that are willing and see what projects we got rolling on in here and different things we're doing. Remember, here we're servicing all makes, all models, all 4x4s. So we're doing it all. You know, we're trying to be that shop that you can really depend on for all the different things you need. So let's go in there and let's see who's willing to talk to us with the microphone that we made here. Let's head on in. So heading in. So we'll see who we can harass right now and interrupt while they're working. So let's head under here real quick. Yeah! They're getting it. Nice and loud. You can see going on with all different going on here. So hey, what do you got going on over here?
I am reinserting this skid plate into its home.
Nice.
Yeah.
Tyler, do you want to show us what you got going on over in your bays?
Yeah,
real quick. All right, let's see what's going on over here. Hey, that's really rude. Okay, we're trying to film over here. Okay, so Tyler, what's going on? Really? What you got going on with this guy?
78 CJ.
Here, take the mic, speak into it.
78 CJ. Doing a painless wire harness, complete
Okay,
harness.
so just fully rewiring the whole thing,
yeah,
basically.
full harness, front to back. It had a relay, old relay box. Whole new relay box, interior,
Yeah, sweet.
frame swap. Yeah.
Oh, that's right, the whole frame swap.
Yeah, whole frame is brand new.
I do remember
engine
that.
Swapped over.
Yeah, heck yeah.
It's been great.
Sweet. We're almost actually wrapped up with that, right?
Yeah, about an hour left.
Finishing up the wiring.
Yeah.
And then this beast. So I know this has been having some different things going on, but where are we at on it now? Where we're looking at?
This one we had to adjust fuel pressure. It's the 225 Dauntless, so it's a little different. Had to adjust fuel pressure, spark plugs, tune up. Now we gotta adjust the timing, stuff like that.
Okay, so just trying to dial it in.
Trying to dial it in and make it work.
Because it's basically trying to almost daily it, right? Or
yeah, he wants to daily 55 wheelies, and we're gonna make it work.
I love it. Heck yeah, awesome. Well, I appreciate you talking.
Yeah.
We'll see who else we can harass around here. Let them get back to work. Okay, let's head this way. Let's see who we got. Who's hiding? They're trying to be sneaky and hide from us. There's Charlie.
What's up?
Hey, you willing to talk to us for a second? What you got going on?
Yeah, sure.
Take the microphone.
Oh, what do we
and
got
just
here?
kind of, yep.
T40. Huh?
Yeah, it's a T40, so it's a newer edition.
Right
But what do you got going on in this guy?
So this is a JK. We just did some Rubicon axle swaps on it, 513 gears, upgrading them to electric
Rubicon,
lockers.
so it's a sport.
It is a
It's a
sport.
sport.
We put Rubicon axles into it.
Okay.
And
So-
yeah, I got Terraflex control arm kit going on it. It's on the King coilovers.
Nice.
So, yeah.
And what about, were we doing lockers on this guy, or?
Yeah, he's got electric lockers going on.
Okay, so some E-lockers.
Yeah, E-lockers. We're going to do RPM steering on it. We got Terraflex ball joints in there.
Okay, and he has a King coilovers that are being rebuilt, right? His shaft was bent.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, so
fixing
he
that.
had an oopsie and bent some stuff in the front end, which started the whole process for the axle swap.
Heck yeah. Sweet. All right. And then wiring for the Switch Pro.
Yeah, we got a Switch Pro going in, so we'll have the lockers, some lights, lockers and lights going to the Switch Pros. We got the nice A-pillar mount up there. Looks
Heck yeah.
good.
Dig it. Awesome. Thanks for chatting with us.
No problem.
All right. Let's see what else we got. Let's head down here. There he is. Alex.
Yeah.
Take the mic, say hi, kind of explain what you're working on
Hi.
today.
Working on this 26 Chevy 2500.
Did the light bar up front. We got a Switch Pro power switch controller. We did some lights in the rear.
What are the lights in the rear?
We did some lights in this rear bumper. Did the
Some backup lights.
Yeah, we did these backup lights that are integrated into the AEV rear bumper.
Oh yeah, nice.
And then we're doing this camper shell with some interior lighting, getting that all wired up. So making a big wiring mess right now.
Yeah. Sweet though, it's coming along. Appreciate it. Thanks for talking with us. All right, let's go see if there's another person we can harass. Maybe one or two more. So we hide him back here because he's a big distraction for everybody else. So we just make sure he's tucked in the corner. We all feel safer. You know, the jobs get completed a little better. So let's see if we can, oh, he's listening to me. Hey.
Hey.
Hey buddy, take the mic here. How are you? Good to see you. Thanks for coming out of your little corner. So basically just going around, just kind of seeing what everybody's working on. So what do you got going on with this guy?
Just putting together a CJ7. The guy wrecked it, and so we put a new tub, new everything, new fenders.
Yeah, so new
LS
tub.
swapped. Yeah.
LS swap. Yeah.
So just got done doing the suspension, and now I'm going to be putting a T-case back in it.
Heck yeah,
just
nice.
got the ceiling for it.
And the whole inside, like it's kind of like a full restoration almost.
Just about.
So carpets in, you're getting the seats in, some brackets.
Just waiting on a couple more parts, and then yeah, we can get the seats in, get the center console fully in.
Love it, man. Sweet. It's looking clean. What else do you have left on it then?
Let's see, tire carrier, the little trim pieces on the side, and yeah, that's pretty much about it.
It's about wrapped up.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, love
I'm
it.
Excited to see it start driving.
Yeah, that'll be sweet for sure. I get the first test drive. It's one of those stick things, but it only goes forward and back, right? It doesn't go to the side, so I should be fine. It's just a forward and back shifter. I think I can handle that one. So we'll head out here real quick, real close to me. That you could definitely scoot back. Appreciate that. All right. Hey, take the microphone. What's going on, big guy? And tell us what you got going on. I know you're working on both these two rigs here, but what did we do on the Volkswagen?
On the Volkswagen, just did some airbags. And then on the Ram over here, did some new motor mounts and a oil change and some fuel filters.
Nice. And so the airbags, is this the airlift kit, right?
I don't remember what company
airlift
it is.
Or Firestone? Looks like it's Firestone.
Yeah, I believe Firestone.
Yeah, Firestone bags. So running those up, and then you got the chucks here. So you can fill them independently, kind of level the rig for whatever he's towing or carrying in the back. And then on this guy, you said motor mounts and what else? On the Ram?
Fuel filters and then an oil change. So.
Okay, so service stuff.
Yep.
Basically. All right, sweet.
Yep.
Day's going pretty good?
Not bad.
All right. Appreciate talking to us, man.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yeah, so that gives us kind of a quick little walkthrough. Again, a typical Wednesday. Just a lot of different things going on, a lot of different builds, repairs, maintenance, all that stuff, all the stuff that we do here. So if you're looking for any kind of upgrade or any type of repairs on your vehicle, give us a shout out. We're here at 420 Miller Valley Road in Prescott, as well as Prescott Valley as well. So we have a couple different locations for you for your convenience. So make sure to check us out. Appreciate you swinging in. And cut. That was perfect, dude. I felt like my hair was good. Like I know, like this, I could feel, like I felt like I was hovering above myself, like watching myself talk. And it was almost like if I was an angel floating. Is the hair good? Okay. You put grease on my head?